That's me. Sorry guys.
Let's go.
That is AI.
Oh no! Crashed it. We gotta keep pushing.
Brian Faz, I think he's
Go,
called.
go, go! I got a flat tyre. I got a flat tyre.
Oh shit.
Oh. Oh my god, there's loads here. We're gonna have to do a crazy bailout. I'll try and cover. Keep your head down, boys! We're gonna have that roadblock as well. They're gonna be shooting us from there again, aren't they?
Yeah, I've seen that, yeah. Fine.
Whoa, whoa! No!
What?
Oh. And
Yeah.
you're like, oh shit, AI! I turn around and he's just crouched there looking at me like, what the fuck?
Literally on spawn when he shot you.
That's not fair.
Or shot at me.
I might have to send an email.
Was that an email of discontent?
To Bohemia. What the fuck, dude?
Yeah.
Right, I think all the cars have been nicked, so... Oh no. Oh. Yeah, that's not... that's a car no more.
Oh no, it's a broken car. There's got to be a car somewhere.
Fuel is now available from Point Arizona. Out.
Oh, they've got it. They've got it. Okay.
So you want to take the next left?
Let's see if we can get there. There's going to be loads of AI. Oh! There you go.
I believe in you. I'm not even tabbing out.
Come
I believe
on! Foot to the floor, mate. See you later.
in you. Bam! Drop a gear, disappear.
This is getting quite dangerous, actually. Oh!
And then you can swing a left, next left, mate. Oh!
Remove casualty. Nope, driver, yes. Get out.
Oh, I'm dead.
What? You ready, son? Get on that gun! I thought you were getting on the gun, son! Get on the gun! God dang it! You're gonna be alright, soldier! How we doing? I can't hear you. I know your mic's there, but I can't hear you. Got 2 down and I got 1 to the east of us.
To all stations. We've just raised the transmitter tower at Point Illinois. Out.
Let's push up, Prime. Two more down. Man down. You're gonna be just fine.
You hear me yet?
I can hear you.
Perfect.
Oh my god. You were being quiet before. Maybe on our left, careful.
Alpha Main to all stations. The enemy have taken control
Yeah.
of a radio. Out.
Video TV.
he's dead.
Alpha Main to all
See?
stations. Transmitter tower has
him
been
up, we
raised
fucked
to
him up, we
point
all alive?
Wisconsin.
How did I not kill him? Yes! Take that, bitch!
Where are you? In the woods on the way out to Signal Hill?
Yeah, I'm just hanging around Signal.
Okay, cool.
Nearly
Going
at the
up
top.
now and driving up the main road in a Jeep.
Nice.
I haven't got a loadout or anything yet.
Oh, I still haven't, mate. Did I?
Hello? There's a
I'm
guy.
done.
Oh, you found it. I found. Sweet.
Hello, sir. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, hey! Where are we going?
Are we on that
Should we
track
get farm?
now? On that track? Yeah, yeah. Carry on this track. Left it.
Left. Yeah, let's go.
All stations.
And then let's
Alpha
Where we
Main
go?
Go to the right and then up that
transmitter tower
footpath.
at point Illinois. Out.
That's it. Gonna be a bumpy ride.
You're gonna be a bumpy ride, man.
Yeah, I think we'll be good here.
Okie dokie. Let's go.
Obviously, we don't have loadouts, so we're gonna have to do this. The
This is gonna be fun, mate. This is,
This-
oh, yeah.
I
Oh,
wonder how far you
one in
can
the-
crawl in without them seeing. I'm going for it.
I can kill the driver of that vehicle now, right now.
Go for it. I'm a snake. I'm flanking left but crawling.
I just hit him in the head so many times he didn't die.
Really? Has he jumped out?
He was,
Yeah, I
he was
see.
in the vehicle, yeah, he's jumped out now.
Yeah, tent, innit? I'm still crawling left. Oh, he's gone further. He's gone further left.
Right.
He might be coming behind the house in a sec. Yeah, I just saw him drop to the floor behind the house, left side.
Cool.
Have I got any grenades left? No. Shit.
I am.
It's one right
Are you
here.
coming?
I've
Was
got a
that
nade.
you?
I'm behind you. I'm
Oh,
behind you.
fuck. Yeah, nade on the left side of the house, dude. Oh, he's just got back up.
Yeah.
He's circling back round to the right. I'm gonna smoke in front of the house.
Yeah, sure.
Let that build up a little bit and then fucking charge him. Reloading. Let's fucking go.
You charging it? Ah.
Alpha Main to all stations. Supplies have reached point Wisconsin. Out.
By the house.
I see where he went. He went to the right hand side of the village thing. Right hand side of their camp. See him.
I can hear him popping a grenade, watch out.
Is he in the house, maybe?
I'm not sure. I'm next to his tent now. He must have left because I'm taking the base.
Yeah, I'm with you. I think there's
He's
2v1 maybe. It might be.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, I don't know now. I'm sort of in a tricky situation.
Yeah, there's another one. There's another one here.
Is there?
I think so because we stopped taking it then. I can see you.
Where's he gone? I think he's got friendlies coming to help. He's not in the tent. He's on the right side. Oh no, reload, reload. Oh shit. He's on the right side behind the wall.
Oh yeah.
I think I've got him, but his friendlies coming
You
in.
did.
Oh
You
shit,
did drop
his
him.
friendlies are coming.
Come back out of the town.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Get out,
Over the
get
wall,
out a
over the
little
wall, over the wall. Let's see if I can crawl around to the right. I can hear one running up to me, I swear. He's next to the truck. No! no, no, I had one bullet in the chamber. Fucking idiot.
Is that enemy chopper, yeah?
Yeah. Oh yes, I think they're dropping off. They're gonna drop off the farm, dude. I'm literally watching it happen. Oh, they just got blown out of the sky, dude. Oh my god. Fuck, dude. Holy shit. Oh, there's one pushing in now. He's dead. Is he alive or not? Yeah, he is, bro. He looks bastard. What the f... Someone had a miserable death. Did you get any eyes on around the barn area?
Yeah, there's loads here, man.
Is there?
Yeah, I just killed 4.
Oh, fucking hell.
5.
Nice.
Oh, see, there you are, Phil.
Oh right, I didn't realise that's the base. Fuck.
Yeah.
Killed one left side.
Let's flank around and get in the base somehow, don't we?
Hmm.
Push, let's push.
Russians across the field behind the rocks.
Yeah, I'm on the coast now. A little bit of move around.
We've taken our primary objectives. Out.
Those shots were just me.
Oh,
The vehicle
fuck.
going around the road.
Who's this
Oh,
laying
yeah.
on a rock over here?
Not me.
That's American.
I'm just up the path
American
from you.
sniper to our right, laying on top of a rock.
Okay. You sure it's an American?
He is on the right, yeah. Friendly's pushing into farm. Oh, on the tent, on the tent, on the tent. See him? Left side.
Yeah.
I think there's more coming in.
I need to take their guns, man. I've got no ammo.
I think we've got an enemy vehicle outside to the left somewhere. Yeah, I can see it coming in now.
Alpha Bay to all stations. Friendly forces are under attack at Point Kansas. Out.
Whoa! Fucking... Who's that?
That was enemy. They're spawning there. I killed one.
Where are they now?
Still there? Not around their main tent? The flag on it, he was? Oh, well, definitely wasn't a teammate because I was super close and no tag came out.
Going around the back of the building.
Cool, I'm prone on the floor, got a bandage because I'm fucking bleeding. That's what.
Oh my god. I don't know how he didn't kill you, but I got him off you.
Alright,
Oh
nice.
shit, there's 2 more, watch out. Stay still.
Alright.
He's literally on you.
Oh shit.
Oh, I got him. There's one more.
I got him.
Oh my god! Yes! Oh shit, I got shot in the back, shot in the
Oh,
back.
there's another
I
one
think.
behind you, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Fuck. Oh no!
That was epic, that guy thought I was dead and I just turned and he like just realised I shot him straight in the head.
It was a big bomb with a gun on the top.
Oh, they're useless, mate. Top heavy.
This one's got the speed and agility of a gazelle. It'll be like a bunch of gazelles in the Sahara Desert.
I like Springbok.
That's,
We got a
that's a nice bit of sandbagging. BTR. Shit. Oh, good luck. Look at this fucking. Oh, look at the slide down the fucking. Oh, hello. That was a Russian. That was a fucking Russian.
Where's he
Turn
going
around.
with a fucking full load of supplios, mate?
Right.
Come back here, you little bastard.
Turn around and get him.
Oi!
Trying to read you about your initial. Wait, pull over. American
Pull that
police,
vehicle
pull
over now! Oh, dude, get back in.
Okay, card.
Quick.
Go. Shot the back of his tire there. He ain't going nowhere now.
Come on, let's just get out and have a chat. Come on. How are we going to do this?
Get out in front of him.
You can ram us.
Yeah, but we can get out and shoot him.
Ready?
He's turning. Fuck.
It's like,
Proxy, use
it's like
proxy,
herding
but like, wait.
sheep.
Oh, blame him. Oh no, I fucking down. I'm in a bush. Oh, how did I do that? I jumped up. Oh, hit me. Go get him.
Tell me when you go.